Welcome to Hami Kopila. Let's learn about the different parts of plants. Plants are like living houses for animals and people. They have different parts that help them grow and stay healthy. Let's talk about roots. Roots help the plant stand tall and strong in the ground. Let's talk about the next one, stem. Stem is like the backbone of a plant. It also helps carry water and food. Let's move to the next familiar part, leaf. Leaves are like the kitchens of a plant. They use sunlight, water, and air to make food for the plant. Now, moving on to the beauty of the plant, flowers. Flowers have colorful petals to attract bees and butterflies. Flowers develop into fruits containing seeds. Lastly, fruits. Fruits are like the homes for the plant's seeds. They protect the seeds and help them spread to new places. Some fruits are also yummy for us to eat.